Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Magic, the gathering arena of the Planeswalkers. To begin, each player rolls a 20-sided die, and the highest roll determines who goes first. Next, you'll place your chosen Planeswalker figure onto a starting zone on the battlefield. Finally, each player shuffles their spell deck and draws 3 cards to start their hand, preparing for the strategic battles ahead. During your turn, you can play up to 3 spell cards from your hand, influencing the battlefield with powerful effects. You'll also move your figures, each with a specific movement value, across the modular terrain. When attacking, you roll a number of attack dice based on your figure's power, while your opponent rolls defense dice based on their figure's toughness, resolving hits and damage. Your Planeswalker is central to your strategy, allowing you to summon up to 2 squads or heroes from your reserve onto the battlefield within 5 clear sight spaces. Each Planeswalker possesses unique abilities that can turn the tide of battle. The primary goal of the game is to destroy your opponent's Planeswalker, reducing their life to 0 and claiming victory. For advanced play, remember to manage your hand, discarding down to 7 spell cards at the end of your turn. Utilize the elevated terrain pieces on the board, as figures on higher ground gain an extra die in combat. Strategic positioning of your figures is crucial for controlling the battlefield and maximizing your tactical advantage against your opponent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.